The lower guard lever is used to manually retract the blade guard. The plastic lever is attached to a stud on the top of the saw. The lever can be broken if the saw is dropped or if something falls on it. Replacing the lower guard lever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old lower guard lever. The lever is secured with a single screw. And now I can install the new lever. I'll place the lever over the stud and secure it with the screw. And that's how easy it is to replace the lower guard lever on your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.